Welcome to Embassy Powdered Metals. Before the manufacturing process can begin, we must use software to design tools. The manufacturing process begins with a material that is sand-like called powdered metal.
Transmission parts, car parts, lawnmower parts, door locks, RVs. One good thing about Embassy is we are diversified.
As the manufacturing process continues, powdered metal is compressed into the shape of the tool/object it is intended to be.
You really never know what you are making.
This temporary tool shape is exposed to intense heat in order to cure it. Parts are then put through quality testing.
Well, we have a box maker, an automatic box maker.
They've worked a lot with me on hours and whatnot where I can spend more time with my family.
Phone, more communication skills.
What's so cool about manufacturing? Manufacturing is where the world is. It's what makes things for us to live, to breathe, and to move on.
Just what's capable, what can be done with within such a small process.
That's what I like about manufacturing. We're all intertwined.
What's so cool about it is how you get to see how the mass production of it.
It all starts out for us with a little bit of powder. So to see the end result of that and to know what it goes into, people are out there buying the products you make,